Hi, I'm George TheLaserHam.
What are we looking at here?
What you're looking at is a folding ground plane antenna. That one is cut for 2 meters, and it is good. Well, it's okay on 70 centimeters. It works pretty well on MERS and GMRS. And they're fully potted, which means they're fully contained. It's full of polymer there, so all the internal connections are sealed against the elements. I use an amphenol connector, so it's good for a lifetime of use. The body is UV resistant, so you could use it outdoors. It works great.
Yes, you must be here to win the great.
How much are they?
At the show, they're $40. Online, they're $45, but include free shipping.
That's good. It's a good price. It's $45 online for an antenna. It's pretty good.
I think so.
Considering I think most handmade things like $75, $80.
That's right, that's right.
All right, where can we find these at?
You can find them on Etsy. Just look for TheLaserHam. You can find me on Twitter at TheLaserHam.
Okay, here it is. We're out in the shop. It's the TheLaserHam antenna, 2 meters, 70 centimeter, and 1.25. You can see it all stays together with this wrap here. Right here we got his laser engraved, the TheLaserHam. This is where the BNC is in the middle there. Unwrap it. On the ring it tells you what the heck it is. I super glued a strong magnet so I can hook it to a gutter to test this better with. Easily unfolds. Let's bring these rings to the end. This is where it attaches. So let's take it outside and hook it up. I'm not sure what's more redneck than this. I have it up there. It's on my TN07 mast that's broken. I won't get into that. Just say I won't probably buy another TN07. Anyway, let's go and see what's going on here. All right, so the BNC, you need an adapter for this, for your PL259 to plug into. It's one of those twist off ones to a PL. It's up there, it goes through the middle. So let's go inside and see what the rig expert says about it. We have AntScope 2 plugged in here from Rig Expert. So we put the start frequency at 146,000 and the stop at 148,000. I'm going to do full range. We're going to do a single here. See what we get. We got a flat curve. So that's pretty darn good for that. So now we want to check out 70 centimeters. That's kind of cool there. Anyway, 444 000 to 450. Hit single. The way he was telling us when he was telling me about it, doesn't quite do 70 centimeters too much, but we're seeing a 1.5 here. And it drops at 150. That is pretty good. Good performance. Let's go check out these other options. Phase, that dips down there, then goes all the way up at that frequency. One of these days I'll know what all these are. Z equals R plus JX. In case y'all were wondering. We all know what the Smith is, though. We studied that for our extra, right? There's a Smith chart on it. It's looking pretty good. Let's check the 2 meters on this one. It looks about the same. Again, the SWRs are flatlined. So what do I think about this? I think it's a great antenna by a great guy that lives in Tennessee. So check out his store on Etsy. I'm guessing he's at I'm recording this during the Dayton Ham Fest right now, so I'm betting he's over there with all his inventory, but hopefully he gets more in his store. I think he has it for, I think, $50 right now. So be sure to check him out. This is Jason KO4DDG doing the review for the LaserHam Jungle Antenna. You put it high and expect amazing results. Catch y'all later. 7-3. We're in a hurry. Got a storm coming. We got to send a wind link message. Is it gonna get sent in time? Looks like my audio's a little high, but it's still synced. Yeah, we sent it. Good deal. Alright, this is Jason. That was the review of that box I just built. How about that? See how fast that was to deploy?